I believe that life is one fantastic learning experience, and every day brings opportunities to learn and grow a little more, to become a bit better than the day before. I had the honor and privilege to train and to coach thousands of professionals around the globe and to connect with all of them, regardless of gender, age, culture or location. I love to create learning experiences, to move people, disrupt a little, get them on their feet and out of their comfort zones, and guide them to the next level of performance. From all the different training topics I've delivered, I find presenting and public speaking the most exciting and rewarding. Most people dislike or even hate to present in front of an audience, while it's known as one of the most powerful and essential skills that can dramatically impact your career or business. My approach is practical, upbeat and entertaining, using high energy and down-to-earth encouragement to make people feel personally inspired and ready to take immediate action. I sometimes see people transform literally from nervous and insecure to confident and inspirational, and I just love to be part of that, to help them to make that happen.